Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you the quick tutorial on how to connect your Xiaomi Haylou LS05 smartwatch Solar to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, so upon turning on the smartwatch, the Xiaomi Haylou LS05, so we are greeted with this note here. So it said here, please scan to download the application. So guys, all we just have to do is we're going to get our smartphone, and after that is we're going to scan this code here, and we will just click that one, the link, and it will go to this application here. So let's click here. We have to download the Haylou Fit. So it is already downloading, guys. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have already downloaded our Haylou Fit application. So we'll just have to click open and just click on agree. And in our case guys, so we'll just have to log in through our Facebook application. So I will just connect this one to my Facebook account. So from there it will ask you to enter your information, guys. So let me just set it up. So from there guys, we have already reached our home screen of our Haylou Fit. So it said here, please turn on Bluetooth. So let's turn our Bluetooth on. Okay, and from there let's click on device, and it said here Haylou Fit would like to send notifications, and let's click add new device. From there let's also press select device. So it says here searching. Okay, so guys, what will you do with your smartwatch is you don't have to do anything. The Bluetooth is already turned on, so we will just have to click the Haylou Solar here, and it says here connecting, and our smartwatch, it says is it allowed to receive a mobile phone binding request. So let's click OK, and connected successfully, guys. Okay, so it says here get historical data from the server, and it's already connected, guys. Okay, so for us to be sure if it's already connected, okay, so let's try to scroll down our smartwatch, and let's check here find the phone, and iPhone was found. So it means that we have already successfully connected our Xiaomi Haylou LS05 Solar to our smartphone. Alright guys, if you have any questions about this smartwatch, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.